Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a case study. I want to discuss with you how I was able to identify few stocks early, looking at a couple of screens of StockEdge and got phenomenal return along with my StockEdge users. So if you have been following me on this series, I've been talking about a lot of concepts around trading and how you can generate wealth, how you can exit a stock at the right time, etc. I hope you guys are liking this initiative. We have discussed a couple of things in this whole series. We've discussed about moving average, we've discussed about momentum, how are the different kind of momentums, etc. Today, I want to talk about case study as I discussed with you. So I want to show you a couple of things here and you will get 100% clarity of how I look at the market, how I approach the market. So first thing, it's very important for us to understand that ultimately market is all about sector rotation. There will be one sector which will lose interest and there will be another sector which will gain interest. As a momentum market participant, our role is to figure out sectors where there is interest, right? For that, having an understanding of sector rotation is extremely critical. And I guess I've shared with you the screen where I talked about how to find out sector rotation. Well, the formula is very simple. Go to StockEdge sector rotation, and you will find the sector rotation. One of the sectors which I was able to identify early is the top sector here with the complete green. It's called shipbuilding sector. If I go inside this sector, you see there is only one industry inside this sector. Typically every sector will have multiple industries, but in this case it is only one industry. If I go inside this and if I see the historical sector rotation, this sector or industry has been green for many time frame. That is the biggest strength of a good sector, that if a sector is green, there is a propensity of people buying more in this sector, and there could be any reason for the sector to be green. In fact, if we look at the fundamental results of this sector, look at the shipbuilding industry, look at the revenue growth. I mean, this is the current period only, but let me show you the overall the companies which has come out with the results so far. Look at the revenue growth, out of which, Cochin Shipyard and Garden Reach, look at the kind of numbers they are showing. That is the reason why the sector has always shown a buying interest. So whenever I'm looking at any particular sector, I also try to find out what is the reason, why so much of green, why people are interested in buying. So clearly fundamental is or was supporting this particular sector. Then what I do, I simply go to stock score. All the studies which I have done for the last so many years, what I've done is I've accumulated everything in a very simple format called Stocket Score. Inside Stocket Score, you see the stock where there is most green is the one which is of my interest, right? As simple as that. There is no rocket science. So all the three top shipbuilding stocks, Mazagon, Cochin, Garden, these have been showing this green for a long period of time. And if you don't trust me, let me take you to Garden Reach. Let's go inside and let's see the history. Look at this. The stock has been showing green in all three time frame, 1 month, 3 month and 6 month. So basically the concept is that if it is in a green zone, you buy. Okay, if it is in a yellow zone, you evaluate again. Typically from green to yellow goes to red, from red to yellow grows to green. We know the traffic light, right? So as simple as that. So if the stock is in green, I will definitely be a buyer. So sector rotation, result analysis and Stocket Score. Finally, if I look at the price, if I look at the chart, this chart was picture perfect. In fact, let me add the moving averages, which we have already discussed earlier. Let me add the moving averages. So I'll add 50-day moving average, right? I will add 200-day moving average. So let's go there. Okay. And we will see whether there is enough strength in the stock from a moving average perspective. So this is the 200-day moving average. The stock has been showing strength for a long period of time. Actually, it's a weekly chart. Let me go to the daily chart, and in this daily chart let me show you 6-month data. So look at this data. The stock this is the blue one, the short-term moving average, and this is the red one, the long-term moving average, and this is the golden crossover. So the moment stock gave a golden crossover supported by phenomenal increase in stock score and supported by my relative strength indicator, which is RS, okay, which is, where is RS? Yes, we have discussed RS also, safe, okay, and this is the template. So the moment it gave a golden crossover here, and the RS was also above 0, and the Stocket score was great, this was the time. If you are a breakout trader, you buy on the breakout level. If you are a retracement trader, you wait for the retracement to buy. And this is exactly what I did. So to, to confirm what I did, let me show you in StockEdge Social. I did post this. Let's search for me, Vivek Bajaj. Okay, this is me in StockEdge Social. Add search, and let's search for the stock Garden Reach Ship Builder, GR. Garden Reach Ship and Engineering. Add to search, and let me show you this. I'm not saying that I've been 100% accurate in all the stocks. It's not practically possible. But even if I'm 6 times right out of 10 stocks, I think I will make money, and all my StockEdge Club members will make money. Look at this. Was on 5th of February, where I was able to identify this. I posted when the price was approximately around 1574. This was the price when the stock was traded, and I gave an update that, oh, it still looks strong when the price was 1794. And today, when I have posted today, the stock is trading. Let me just show you. Today I gave an update again to all my StockEdge Club members. The stock is trading at 2480. So this whole movement, which has become very, very fast movement, is definitely something which we have been able to capture. So no rocket science. I've kept it very simple. As they say, keep it simple, stupid. I've kept it very simple, but one thing I've surely done is stick to my framework. Once I've decided my framework, I'll stick to that, and no one can bother me or give me distraction. I mean, no TV, no Telegram, no Twitter, all me, and I was able to find the stock which is right stock for me. You can also do it. That's my point. You can also do it. It's just that you need to learn things properly, and for that, me and my StockEdge ecosystem is there with you to make sure that you become equally capable than me or better than me, and you can fly with your stock market journey. I hope this video was useful. This case study was useful. I'll keep on sharing with you the case studies and application of whatever we are learning through these initiatives. And if you really like what we are doing, all you need to do is become part of StockEdge Club, where I'm there for real-time guidance to all my club members. All right. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.